Introducing ImperfectIt, the groundbreaking Blender add-on that revolutionizes the way you infuse realism into your 3D scenes. With ImperfectIt, adding lifelike details to your models has never been easier. ImperfectIt empowers you to quickly enhance the authenticity of your scenes with a diverse array of detailed imperfection layers. You can add different types of detailed imperfection layers on top of each other to achieve hyper-realistic look on your render. ImperfectIt offers a comprehensive library with high-detailed imperfection materials to achieve hyper-realistic renders with just a few clicks. ImperfectIt preserves your existing materials and creates details on top of it. You can add dynamic weather simulation effects such as snow and rain to your scene in just one click. Elevate your renders, captivate your audience, and unlock new dimensions of visual storytelling with ImperfectIt Blender add-on. Try it today and experience the difference for yourself.